Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Ndeto makiria ni cieyumiritie ndeto ciegie kuhingwo gwa ceceni imwe ya TV, a leading TV station, na what will happen to the employees. Kenyans received the news ciegie kuhingwo kwa a particular TV station muthenya wa ira. News irakorirwo ikigegia andu muno kuona this is not only the leading media house bururi-ini but also the only news station and the first ceceni ya mohoro guku bururi-ini gukorwo ikihingurwo. Kenyans ni marakorirwo makiurania gitumi kiiganu gia kuhingwo gwa ceceni ino na marakorwo makienda kumenya what is happening na kiria gigukorwo gikihanikira employees a kambuni uyu. Earlier this month, Standard Group iria ni parent house ya KTN News, KTN Home, ni yakorirwo ikianirira ati ni magukorwo makigoithagoithia aruti ake a wira, and they were expected to cut off 300 employees. Koguo most of the employees were expected gukorwo magite mawira mao, but kambuni uyu wakorwo ningi ukiuga ugukorwo kihinga kambuni uyu wothe wa KTN News kana ceceni uyu wa KTN News. Koguo more people will even be affected kuona riu ceceni we wothe niguo gukorwo kihingwo mugaru no ri makakoretwo makiuga hau mbere ati just 300 people nio magugikorwo makiri laid off, na kuona kambuni uyu ni ukiri employees aige because it's a new station na ni ukiri andiki a mohoro okuma every county in a camera person and also a reporter and also are makiri ginyagia guku Nairobi. Koguo andu aingi muno ni magukorwo magite mawira mao. Kambuni ucio through a statement urakorirwo kirekereria urugire ati itua riu riakorwo rikinyukio ni ceceni ucio ni undu wa gukorwo reduce the cost ya kuran that company gwitwo KTN News. KTN Home nio riu iri kurehagira news iria irarehagwo ni KTN News and also guthie na mbere na programming ta cia entertainment iguthaine ne riria rigugikorwo rikihutia mbeu njithi and even everyone who had a job. Kuona andu aingi ni magukorwo magite mawira mao due to running the cost of KTN News and also hardships iria igikoretwo bururi-ini cikigie mawira na maundu matiganite. Ni ndeto itagutenderithia makiri. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.